Hi guys, so we're in one of the leading environmental companies here in the UK, and we've just helped them install our newest high base. The PS-UFO-MAX are hitting 160 lumen per watt energy efficiency. That's unrivaled at this moment. We're using the newest chips available. Now, just to put that into perspective, when we came in here before installing our high base, they had 100 lux light levels in here. Right now, we're hitting 350 lux in here. At the same time, we're saving 80% energy. Now imagine those energy savings. 80% energy saving combined with tripling of the lux levels. I mean, you can see it yourself. It looks like a summer's day here in the middle of the night. The results are just astonishing, right? So now I'm going to show you around the rest of the site, and you will see that the light levels are looking just fantastic here. This is a major upgrade of this site. It just makes you feel a lot more awake when you're working in an environment like this, huh? This is great. I'm really proud of these results. Have a look at this. Fantastic. Just fantastic. See you later, guys.